So we started writing this song, and I think it came out pretty good. But I'm gonna play for y'all now. I've only played it for a couple other people, but this song is called "The Sound of a Breaking Heart." Old school. It's the tick of the clock, passing the time away. Sound of teardrops at the end of each day. It's the creaking wall, we're slamming that old screen door. It goes down the hall, chills me to the core. It's the rain on the roof that reminds me of you. Tears my world apart. Well, I guess that's just the sound of the rain. It's too quiet to sleep, so I watch that fan spin around. Don't wanna hear myself pull that old record. It's a Hank Williams song without your voice singing. Tears my world. Well, I guess that's just the sound of the rain. It's the crickets at night, and when the morning dove cries, tears my world apart. Well, I guess that's just the sound of the rain. Well, I guess the sound of the